Hey everybody, welcome to episode 107 of Build That House with me. My name's Jim. Thanks for coming back. I'm getting so tired of using ramps to get in and out and step ladders. You know, last episode I built a set of back steps for the back. I like them a lot, and I have these extra stringers kicking around from when I did the staircase from the basement to the main floor. I had a whole bunch of them left over because I changed my mind and I made the tread wider. And so I thought, man, why not put these to good use? Let's get rid of these ramps. We can use actual stairs to navigate around the site like civilized people. So goodbye to ramps. Here come the stairs. And I'm just assembling them now. So let's do it. Okay, it's a rainy Sunday afternoon, but I thought I'd come on out and finish these stairs with those leftover stringers I had. These are construction stairs again. They're not permanent, but they just kind of make it easier for our guests to navigate around the site. And happy to get that done on a Sunday afternoon. Kind of a fun little project. So now we got 4 sets of stairs. We just need to build a set of stairs that go from the main floor to the upper floor, and we're all good. Anyway, check that one off the list, but I am going to replace them with some nice stairs one day. All right, so I'm just way up here on the Aluma pole and nailing off this end of the house that we sheeted this afternoon. And I can't get a good angle on it because I'm very close, but I'll get a better shot from down below after I finish this. So one more step in the right direction, and slowly getting the final bit of sheeting done on the entire house. Very cool, very happy. And you get a shot at the way the fascia board looks from up close behind it. So that's pretty cool too, and all the soffit work will have to be done. And if I have the Aluma pole, I could actually do the soffits from the Aluma pole, but I don't know how I'm going to do it without the Aluma pole. We'll have to see. Okay, there's the upper right side of the house, mostly sheeted. So a great day. Okay, so I just went and picked up these. It's 2 different sizes. And what they basically do, I don't know which one goes where, but it'd be basically like this. It ties the floor part, the wall part, and the other wall part. It ties them together and in certain different places that are specified on the engineering diagram. So I have those now and they're ready to go. So that'll be something that will be taking place probably pretty quick here. And in the meantime, I picked up the last bit of plywood that I need to sheet this last wall here. And so basically I got it here, and what I'm doing is just kind of setting it up on the ladder like so, and then climbing up here and then onto this platform right above me, and then over, and then I go up and pull the wall out. So that's good. We'll get those into position for that wall, and that'll be poised and ready to go. So here we go. Let's continue on, shall we? Okay, so in order for those straps to have a solid backing on them, I'm beefing up the exterior walls. Here, I'll show you with a double piece here. And what that'll do is allow for that strap to mount on the other side and have full and complete substance to be able to attach to, because they're quite wide. So I'm just doing that now, and I'll have to do it on the bottom And then we'll get up on the ladder outside and I'll show you as I nail those big steel straps in. I just wanted to show you how those straps work that I was talking about, and that additional blocking to accommodate the width of those straps on the inside of the walls there. So that's the way they are. They got a gazillion nails, and it ties the upper floor and the second floor and the main floor together, and there's a whole bunch of them. You can see another one there. You know, this is a bad angle, but you can see one here kind of, and there's another one down at the end down there. But yeah, so that's in lieu of these clips. The engineering diagram only required these little clips for the bottom floor to the second floor, but up top they want those mega clips, mega straps rather. So this whole end of the house is done, but I'm running into some difficulty with how the uppers, where they've got them on the diagram, they're ending up in windows and above headers and all kinds of stuff. So I might have to figure that out somehow. Well, unfortunately, our hot water tank blew, so here we are at the Trustee Buildings or Plumbing Supply place, picking up a hot water tank. And here we have the greatest plumbing supply guy right here live on the Taylor Build That House channel, Grant the Man.
How's it going, buddy?
Well, other than the hot water tank going, hanging in there, bud, hanging in there. All right, now that we got the tank, we're gonna go figure out how to drain a hot water tank and see how my buddy Plumber Graham makes out on the installation. And as usual, I'm gonna learn a lot about switching out a hot water tank, and hopefully so will you. So let's check out this unexpected twist, do a little maintenance on the house we actually are in now. Okay, here's the, what I should say, old tank. I mean, it looks like it's in pristine condition. It was warranted for 6 years, and we've had it for 6 years and 4 months. So I know it's a little bit dark here, but anyway, looks to me like this is the drain here. So I'm just gonna take this hose and hook it up, and it's a 157 liter tank. So we'll get that drained, and then Graham the plumber will come and we'll learn about how to install a hot water tank. Okay, so we got the tank out, and the floor is in pretty rough shape in there, so I built a platform there to keep it nice and straight. We weren't sure if it was a tank leaking or if it was a pipe or something else, but I'm pretty sure it was a tank. So we'll soon find out. Not easy to get out of there, I tell you. Trying to lift it over this gas line and over this primary water line. Like, why would you put it there right in front of where the tank is? Well, anyway, we levered it up over top with a lever, got it out. All right, so we literally had to cut out a major section of the wall in order to fit the new tank in. Not to mention the fact that we had to avoid a gas line and this old 30-year-old plastic water line, which amazingly did it not break off because the whole tank was resting on it at one point. You can see what we had to do. We had to lift it up, but because the tank is taller and this vent here was too low, it took some major surgery. Okay, the tank is in, but you know what? We had to do major surgery. Had to cut a big hole in the wall, so I'll fix that up. But anyway, there it is, all done. Well, hey everybody. Man, I have been plagued with delays. Like I said, earlier in this episode, the hot water tank blew. That took a couple days to sort out. Then the dishwasher went on Christmas Eve. And then my truck basically stalled, and the best mechanic I know, and he is good, is on day 3 of diagnosing some mysterious electrical ground problem or ignition system problem. It's an old pickup truck. There's not much to it. So you would think it wouldn't be a big deal, but it turns out it is. And he's on his way over here shortly to resolve that, or the third attempt. But I'm going to nip this episode in the bud. I just have not been able to work on the house. It's deeply frustrating because I really want to get going. And I had high hopes for the holidays, not being distracted. I just, with driving the family everywhere and the regular stuff. So it is what it is. This is the end of today's episode, or this episode. Let's hope the next episode's far more productive. Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for joining me on Jim's Build That House. We'll see you in the new year. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care of your business. And we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.